Welcome to a new episode of the podcast Immigration Law. My name is Attorney Fabio Loscerbo. Today we discuss a recent decision issued by the Regional Administrative Court for the Veneto, published on 13th of March 2026, which addresses an important issue in Italian immigration law: the relationship between the seasonal residence permit and its conversion into a subordinate work permit. The case concerns a foreign worker who entered Italy legally with an authorization for seasonal work. After working for several months in the agricultural sector, the worker submitted an application to the immigration one-stop shop to convert the seasonal residence permit into a residence permit for subordinate employment, and he also obtained the required authorization for the conversion. Despite this, the police authority rejected the request for the residence permit, arguing that the worker had already used the maximum period of 9 months of stay allowed for seasonal work. However, the administrative court considered this decision unlawful. According to the judges, Article 24 of the Italian Immigration Consolidated Act clearly states that a seasonal worker who has carried out regular work in Italy for at least 3 months and receives an offer of subordinate employment may request the conversion of the residence permit. Therefore, the fact that the maximum period of seasonal stay has been reached cannot automatically justify the refusal of the residence permit, especially when the worker has already applied for the conversion and has obtained the necessary authorization. For this reason, the Regional Administrative Court upheld the appeal and annulled the decision of the authorities, emphasizing that the administration should have taken into account the request for conversion and the existence of the legal requirements. This decision is important because it confirms a clear principle: the seasonal residence permit can represent the starting point for a stable employment path in Italy, and the administration must properly assess requests for conversion. Thank you for listening to this episode of the podcast Immigration Law. See you soon for another legal insight.